Right, from that armhole depth that you've already marked, you need to put again the square lines. As you see, that's why we needed that line to be very straight. We're going to square off from center back to the center front line. So all you're going to do is take that L square, put it absolutely 90 degrees and draw that line. And that will become your armhole depth line. So you need to label that as your armhole depth. Make sure your spellings are correct as well, so we're doing literacy at the same time. Right, now we know that we've created a rectangle. We need to start plotting the shape of our back and the front on there. So the way to start off now is to get the cross back measurement which we had done earlier on the shirt, and that is half. Where you won't know where your cross back is, so what you need to do is measure from 4 to 5, which will be armhole depth, half that, and then square across there, and that will give you your cross back. Now you don't have to go right across, because remember that is front of your shirt and that's the back of your shirt. So my armhole depth was, half of it was 18 centimeters. So from there I'm going to mark my 18 centimeters, and that's where cross back measurement comes on there. So that's cross back. Now the angle, so now the next thing that you need is to measure your neck. Now you've already got your neck measurement. We worked it out to be 48 centimeters earlier on when we did it with the edge of the tape measure. Now that's the measurement that you need to do, and you're going to have to divide it by 5 because it says a fifth. So whenever you're told what a fifth is, a fifth measurement is dividing it by 5. So what you can do, you need a calculator, or if you're very good at it, you can do it in your head. So it's going to be 48 divided by 5, which will give me 9.6. So from my 0, I'm going to measure 9.6. Now it's 9 whole centimeters, and then the 6 tiny little bits, and that will give you the 6 millimeters. So from 0, I'm going to measure 9 as a whole, and then the little 6. And that is your point where you're going to have your neck curve joining in there. So that's your 9.6. If you feel you want to note it down, write it down, 9.6 centimeters. And then you draw a curve. That's the base of your neck. So you're going to draw your curve there. So you can see now where the shirt has got a curve. I'm going to put that away because I'm going to mark somebody's shirt. If you look on that, the nape is there, which is over here, and then the shoulder curves up, the neck curves up to the shoulder. So that's what I've done, is I've just taken that curve coming from there and going up to my shoulder edge. That's it.